Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. Normally, I'm just working on the Bronco, but there's also a lot of planning involved. So right now I'm thinking about the doors. For those of you who don't know, I'm going to swivel the camera over here. I'm working on a 1973 Ford Bronco full frame off restoration. And I'm also building the body basically from scratch using Tom's Bronco Parts body parts. Now, I'm getting to the point where I need to hang my doors, and I'm dreading the thought of having to bolt and unbolt the doors in and out of these hinges. So I wasn't planning on getting the quick release hinges from Tom's, but then it occurred to me that it would really help my build. I mean, guys get them so they can take the door off in the summer or whatever, but just for fit up, they're gonna save me so much time and hassle because I can just pop the doors off, make my adjustments, pop the doors back on, off on, versus having to actually try to unbolt the door every time I need to make an adjustment to the doorpost. But I was concerned because it's just a one post system, right? So instead of it being a hinge like this, where there's two arms and one in the center and a pin going through, it's just one and one, and the pin nests inside, I think. So I thought, you know what, if it's tighter than what I have, and it helps my build, let me just buy it. But then I was like, you know, it would be cool to kind of compare all these hinges compared to the new ones and check out the tolerances. So that's what we're going to do today. So I got my 4 stock hinges and my dial indicator with the magnetic base there. But first, let's unbox it and see what comes in the box. Wow, that must be the hinges because that's heavy. Okay, so this is the hardware so that your limiting straps, like this replaces your limiting strap hardware on the kick panel, so the strap just slides over that and it can come off when you're ready to take your doors off. Shiny, holy smokes, this is going to be the shiniest thing on this car. And the screws for those, obviously, all stainless. Those are your limiting straps, so the side on the door is fixed, and the side in your kick panel is not. Alright, here we go. And then I'm just going to take these out. It comes with all new bolts. I hadn't realized that. I have the full body bolt kit. So nothing wrong with having some extra stainless bolts laying around for these babies, right? Oh, this is going to be a fun test. I'm very curious to see how this works. Now, I admit, this is not the most scientific controlled test imaginable, but basically, the idea is I zero this out and I measure, zero this out and I measure the total movement. So this one, sorry. Trying to keep it on the same plane because that makes a difference there. So let's just say between 5 and 10 thousandths of plane. 35 thousandths of plate, roughly. Again, around 30. 35. Can't even get a reading on that one. It's so rusty. The good ones were in the 5 to 10 range. Bad ones up to 30, 35. I'm going to wrap these. So what is that, around a 3 or 4 thousandths? It's really hard to keep it straight. Older ones, the hinges are rusty, right? So they stay in this plane much easier. Much tighter though. Obviously, I just can't measure it because it's hard to keep it on the same plane. Let's do another one. So that one is closer to 10. It's really between like 5 and 8 thousandths. Last one. So that was a little looser, around 15 15. So good. So we had everywhere from like a 5, 10, 2 10s and a 15 roughly. So that's, say, a 10 thousandths average play. Look, there's gonna be play, otherwise you wouldn't be able to open your door. So that's it. That was my unboxing and unscientific test of the Tom's Bronco parts. Stainless steel hinges. Again, these parts stay on your door. Slide them in, and they very smooth action. You know, I think the tolerance test shows that like the old ones just have a lot of slop. So you upgrade to a new one, you get much tighter and the benefit of being able to take your door off. So for me, it was a no-brainer because they are kind of pricey, but you're getting quality for it. So I don't mind paying if you're getting good quality. Anyway, that's it for Matt's Garage. Time to get back to work on the Bronco. See you next time.